Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki and today I'm joining my good friend Mom from MomDas Life Handmade for the Sew Your Stash open collaboration, and this time I want to make something Christmas related. So for that I'm gonna use this fabric, this thread, embroidery thread, and also this dowels and those cute pots. Those are the smaller ones and I bought this ones for this. This is part from my stash. I have cream and I have that fabric and those needles that I bought for this project. So we're gonna use those needles with that thread, and we're gonna use that for making a cute fabric topiary or a Christmas tree for the tabletop Christmas tree, something like that. So let's get started. First we're gonna make our shapes on our fabric, just drawing a simple Christmas tree shape in one side because we're gonna fold it in half to cut it. And now I'm gonna take it and cut the shape out of my Christmas tree. After we finish, we're gonna have two sides, one from the front and one for the back of our Christmas tree. Keep on cutting just like that until we have everything cut and we have our shape. That's it. Now that I have my three shapes, I'm gonna start embroidering some stitches on my cream Christmas trees, and just like that I'm gonna go all around the two cream Christmas trees. We're gonna keep on doing that on the two shapes, only on the front part. The back part we're gonna leave it like that. This is how they look, and now they're ready to be sewn. And we're gonna leave a space to add our dowel. Now I'm gonna sew them on my machine just like that. We're gonna sew all around it, and then when we have everything sewn like that, this is how it turns out. I have the small space to add my dowel and the fiber fill or polyfill, and I'm just getting that one set. Now I'm adding the fiber fill inside of them, and with a dowel I'm helping myself just to fill them really nicely. Keep on adding that fiber fill or polyfill just like that, and after you have them all filled, we're gonna add our dowel, some hot glue so we can close it, and then we're gonna add it to our small pot that it has some floral foam that I had left over, and then we're gonna add some of that fiber fill to the bottom to make it look like snow, and that's it. You have a cute tabletop Christmas tree. That's how it looks. And this is how they turned out. As you can see, we have our faucet now, our stitching, our cute shapes for tabletop Christmas trees, and this is how they look. In the description box down below I'm gonna leave you the link to the playlist and also to Mom's channel. I just want to take this opportunity to thank her for bringing us this awesome collaboration. I love how this turned out. And remember, if you like it, hit the thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe so you can keep on watching these type of videos. Take care. Bye bye.